Welcome as we work out such a nice maths Olympiad question. So let's now start with the solution. So on our solution, we have 8 to the power of a minus 1 is equals to 80. So you can now pause the video and work it out. Then now from there, you can comment your answers with what you've got. So let's now begin. So assuming that we have a to the power of m, then minus n. So this one can be written as a to the power of m all over a to the power of n. So that now shall change our question, that now shall now have 8 to the power of a, then all over 8 to the power of 1 is equals to 80. So when you work it out properly, so 8 to the power of a shall remain to be 8 to the power of a, then 8 to the power of 1 is 8, then is equals to 80. So we want to remain with 8 to the power of a, so we shall be forced to multiply both sides by 8, then also multiply this side by 8. So 8 by 8 now shall cancel. So now shall now have 8 to the power of a is equals to 80 multiplied by 8. So from here now we shall now introduce the log on both sides. So now we shall have the log of 8 to the power of a is equals to the log into bracket 80 multiplied by 8. So from here now we shall say that when you have, for example, the log of p to the power of the log p to the power of m, this one can be written as m, the log of p. So here now we shall now have a, the log of 8 is equals to the log of then 80 multiplied by 8. So assuming that we have, for example, the log of a multiplied by b, this one can be written as the log of a plus the log of b. So here now we shall now have a, the log of 8 is equals to, so we shall now have the log of 80 then plus the log of 8. So we now want to do away with the log of 8. So we shall now be forced to divide both sides by the log 8, then also this side also by the log of 8. So log 8 and log 8 shall cancel. So now our value shall be a is equals to the log of 80 then plus the log of 8 then all over the log of 8. So in this case now we shall say that a is equals to, so log 80 can be written as the log of 10 multiplied by 8, then shall put it into bracket, then plus the log of 8 all over the log of 8. So this one now shall now say a is equals to, so now shall have the log of 10 plus the log of 8, then plus log 8 again, then all over the log of 8. The next now shall say that the value for a is equals to, so log 10 can be written as the log of 5 multiplied by 2, then plus, so here now shall have log 8, then plus the log of 8, then all over the log of 8. Then next a is equals to, so here now shall have the log of 5, then plus the log of 2, plus, so in this case now shall have plus log 8, plus log 8, then all of this all over the log of 8. So we shall now split by dividing both sides by the log of 8. So now value for a is equals to, so in this case now we shall have log 5 all over the log of 8, then plus log 2 all over the log of 8, then plus, so log 8, then plus log 8, then all this shall be all over the log 8, then all over the log of 8, because shall divide both sides by the log of 8. So the value for a is equals to, here now shall have log 5 all over the log of 8, then plus log 2 all over the log of 8, plus, so log 8 and log 8 shall cancel, so plus 1, then plus log 8 and log 8 cancels, then plus 1. So in this case now we shall say that, so the value for a is equals to, so here now we shall have log 5 all over the log of 8, then plus log 2 all over the log of 8, then plus, so 1 plus 1 is 2. So according to the law of logarithm, when you have, for example, the log of a all over the log of b, so this one can be written as the log of a to the base of b. So therefore now our final answer shall be a is equals to the log of 5 to the base of 8, then plus the log of 2 to the base of 8 plus 2. So these are now qualifies to be almost correct and the best answer. So if you got this one as the correct answer, then well and good. If you haven't, now you know how we work out within the shortest time possible. So let's now confirm if this answer is really true. So our maths problem was 8 to the power of a minus 1 is equals to 80. So now we shall now have it as 8 now. So we shall write the whole of this. So the log of 5 to the base of 8 plus the log of 2 to the base of 8 plus 2, then minus 1 is equals to 80. So we can write it afresh by now having it as, so we shall have it as 8, then the log of 5 to the base of 8, then the plus means you multiply again 8 to the log of 2 to the base of 8, then the plus. So 2 minus 1 is 1, so plus means you multiply again 8 to the power of 1 is equals to 80. So let's now work it out by saying that the log to the base of 8 shall cancel this 8, so now we shall have 5, then 5 multiplied by the log to the base of 8 cancels this 8, 5 multiplied by 2, then also multiplied by 8 to the power of 1 is 8 is equals to 80. So 5 multiplied by 2 is 10, then 10 multiplied by 8 is 80. So now 80 is equals to 80. So this one is now to confirm to you that the early answer that we got was correct. So means that the value final answer for the value for a is equals to the log of 5 to the base of 8, then plus the log of 2 to the base of 8 plus 2. So this one now is the one answer which is now verified and the most correct. So if you really loved how much we worked out this maths problem, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you.